Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video marks the start of the 2025 season. Out west is usually best, but in this video we discover what out east has to offer. If you want to tag along for all future adventures, make sure to like and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get to the video.
Alright, look who's back, Chelsea and Rye. Doing a little out east trip. So we're going to Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine.
Glad to be back in the van. Gotta add to our
Sticker array. And what we got here is we're just waking up. Got the microwave up there. Sorry. Got the toaster oven up there. Got the kettle. We had that for a coffee tea. Got the bodega. We just plugged that into 120 down here. Chelsea preps so we don't have to cook on the road. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I'll take 2 of these out for tomorrow. Some wraps, some shake stuff. Got the washroom back here. Washroom slash closet. Water closet, yeah. Right now we are, what is that called?
winterized.
Right now we are winterized. Thank you, Chelsea. She handles the words, I handle the numbers. And I barely do that. So we are winterized right now. So we are using just bottle of water. Yeah, the lines themselves are not using any of this stuff. So at the back, we barely hang out back here, but this is what we got. The bed rises and goes up and goes down. This is a Revel, 2013 Winnebago Revel. 2023 Winnebago Revel, that's what this is. Not 2013, I'm 10 years off. And I'm the numbers guy. The bed rises and lowers, so you just click this. Something didn't sound good there, but that's okay. And this is where we sleep. Bam. Bed sits a little bit higher because we got these bed risers there, which are great for storage. But you need this little stool now to step up. Anyways, just in the parking lot here, we slept overnight at lot F. And then we moved over to lot B in this morning. And it's very close to opening time, so we should get out there. Stats about the mountains. So this is Sugarbush in Vermont, northern Vermont. There's actually 2 peaks, so Mount Ellen and Lincoln. Right now we're at Lincoln, and apparently there's a chairlift that goes between the two. It's like a 2-mile chairlift that brings you from Lincoln to Mount Ellen. I don't know if it's open because we're in early season conditions right now. It's the 1st of January. 2025. Yeah, so I think Lincoln is more popular for the peak. Mount Ellen is a little bit more of beginner runs, and there's supposed to be a better train park over there, but like I said, it's early season, so possibly the train park's not open. And we got 3 more locations that we're going here: Loon Mountain, Sugarloaf, and Sunday River. So this is a nice little out east trip. Then we got Revelstoke planned, we got Killington planned, and we got 2 weeks that we don't know where we're going. But anyways, that's it. We'll get ready to go. Catch you out there on the slopes. Deuces. Gang, back here today. Our out east trip, hitting up 4 resorts in 5 days. Yesterday we stayed at Sugarbush. We skied the whole day there. It wasn't too bad, although the weather was awful. It pretty much rained the entire time, but we still made the best of it. So last night we headed over to New Hampshire, Loon Mountain. We stayed overnight. It's called White Mountain. It's a national forest. $5 to camp there, 10 minutes away. So it's actually pretty nice. They even have washrooms there and some garbage. So we got rid of our garbage. Just arrived here before opening. There's only 35 lifts open, and today we got flurries and kind of windy. Actually, we were just naming all the flags on the entrance here, and we probably got 80% of them. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
That's fantastic. 80%. Like, you can't get better than 80%.
You get 100%.
We're excited for Loon Mountain. They got the bubble chair up, if you can see over there. Kank 8. I probably butchered that. I butcher a lot of words, but Kank 8. I'm a sucker for bubble chairs. I love myself a bubble chair. This is an 8-person heated seat bubble chair. We thought someone was entering the van last night.
That was scary.
But it just happened to be a tree in the wind dangling on
Scratching on the roof.
Well, I'm there. I'm there to help.
This is why it's terrifying.
Oh, stop it. Should be a good day. After this, we are heading to...
Sunday River?
Yeah. And I think that's only an hour away, and that's actually in Maine. So, like, New Hampshire, how small are you? Like, we were just in Vermont, and then an hour away, we're out of New Hampshire and in a different state.
I think that's just how the States is.
Gang, welcome back. It's your board rats here. It's your ski bums here.
Huh?
Gang, welcome back. It's just gang, welcome back. It's your ski bums here. Chelsea and Ryan finished that Loon yesterday. Solid mountain.
Solid
nice
ice.
A lot of ice, yeah. And we're here today in Maine at Sunday River. Got the teas and the coffee, and we're just getting ready to get out there. Should be good. 75 runs open, which ain't bad. This mountain's actually pretty large, so that's actually close to half, I think. We got some flurries. It's windy, so we'll buckle up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Doses.
Now that hotel. Whoa. Ready? Earlier today, we were at Sunday River. We're like, man, this is okay. It was 11. We're like, let's drive to Sugarloaf. We get 30 minutes into the drive. I realized we don't have the snowboards. We left them on the parking lot floor. It's both of us. Whatever. So anyways, we made it here. They closed at 3:50. We made it here at 2:41. Okay.
Let's do cool shit.
Okay.
Let's flutter.
Okay.
Count me in.
1, 2, 3.
How was that navigation skill?
That was very good.
What a great way to start off our 2025 season. Although the conditions were not the best, we still managed to score some sweet runs over the past 5 days. West is still best, but something about the resort vibe out east just hits different. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a van vlog or resort review video. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.